Hello everyone, I'm Camelia. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for my new tutorial videos. Today I will going to show you how to make this granny square. Round 1. Make a magic ring. We make a loop. Go underneath the loop. Pull the yarn over. That is magic ring. Hold it. Chain 3. This chain 3 is regarded as 1 double crochet. We need to make another 11 double crochet stitches. We need 12 double crochet stitches all together. Yarn over, go into the ring. Yarn over, go through 2. Yarn over, go through 2. Again, yarn over, go into the ring. Yarn over, go through 2. Yarn over, go through 2. Yarn over, go into the ring. Yarn over, go through 2. Yarn over, go through 2. We have 4 double crochets here. Go ahead and make another 8 double crochet stitches. I will meet you at the end of round 1. We are at the end of round 1. We have made 12 double crochet stitches. Tighten up the ring. Find the 3rd chain. It is the 2nd chain if you count from backward. So counting back, it's 2nd chain. Slip stitch. Just pull through. Round 2. Chain 3. We're going to make puff stitch. Yarn over, go into the same stitch. Pull up, yarn over, go into the same stitch. Pull up, yarn over, go to the same stitch. Pull up, yarn over, go to the same stitch. Pull up. We have 9 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through all. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Yarn over, go to the next stitch. One, 2, 3, 4. We have 9 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through all. Chain 3. Again, another puff stitch. Yarn over, go into the next stitch. 1, 2, don't forget to pull up. 3, 4 times. We have 9 loops on a hook. Yarn over, pull through all. chain 3, then again puff stitch into the next stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 9 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through all. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Again, puff stitch into the next stitch. Yarn over, go into the next stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4. 9 loops on a hook. Yarn over, pull through all. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Again, puff stitch. Yarn over, go into the stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4. 9 loops on a hook. Yarn over, pull through all. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. We have 6 puff stitch made. Go ahead and make another 6 puff stitch. I will meet you at the end of round 2. We are at the end of round 2. This is the last puff stitch. Yarn over, pull through all. Chain 3. Then slip stitch to the 3rd chain. If counting backward, it's the 2nd stitch. Just pull through. Round 3. We put slip stitch onto the puff stitch. So go into the puff stitch, slip stitch, then another slip stitch into the space. We have just bring the yarn over to this space. We chain 3. This chain 3 is regarded as 1 double crochet. Then we put 2 more double crochet into the same space. Then we chain 3, 1, 2, 3. 3 more double crochets into the same space. 1, 2, 3. Then we put 3 double crochets into the next space. 1, 2, 3. Then we put 3 double crochets into the next space. 1, 2, 3. Now we need to create another corner. So we put 3 double crochets, chain 3, and another 3 double crochets all into this space. 1, 2, 3. Then we chain 3, another 3 double crochets into the same space. 1, 2, 3. Then we put 3 double crochets into the next space. 2, 3. Then we put another 3 double crochets into the next space. 1, 2, 3. Then we need to create a corner again. So 3 double crochets, chain 3, and 3 double crochets all into same space. 1, 2, 3. Chain 1, chain 2, chain 3. Then 1 double crochet, 2, 3, all into the same space. Then you're going to put 3 double crochets in this space, 3 double crochets in next space, and then you create another corner here. So that's 3 double crochets, chain 3, and 3 double crochets all into this space, and then 3 double crochets in this space, 3 double crochets in this space. I will meet you at the end of round 3. We are at the end of round 3. Find the 3rd chain, 2nd chain if you count backward. Go from the back. Turn over. Pull over. Chain 1. Don't forget to weave in the ends.